Alright, here's this year's porch. Sorry, the lights go crazy. Let's see, is there something I can... Is that better? I don't know. That's the same. Here's my wreath. I stuck this Santa from Dollar Tree. He turned out cute. Same thing. These are from Walmart. I think they add a nice touch. And, here we go. All right, let's go inside. Sorry, I'm making you dizzy. But yeah, look at these wreaths. They're from Costco, and then we add the ribbons and the little decorations to go in addition to the pine cones and things. Very fun. Emma was just here, so I don't guarantee it's pristine. We had so much fun going, seeing the... We went to Wendy's and then drove around while we ate. Just so much fun. Oh, love that kid. Oh, my blanket's missing there. She has it. This is the play area behind the... let me get that off there. Behind the couch is I have my toys and things, so she was back there. That's from Temu. That's from Dollar Tree, I believe. There's my snow. And this is the wreath I've had on the mirror, and then I know I should make my own, but Margaret had the Bodabra, and that's my excuse I'm sticking to. I did this last year. I really like that. Let me get you a little closer to... So, mostly snowmen related. I actually got rid of bags and bags. I don't know where I would have put it all. This is another... They were wreath making or something. You had the head and the body and everything. So I just took the head and tacked it onto my lampshade. Thought it was cute. So yeah. Emma loved it all. I said, maybe I won't do this next year. No, you have to. Wow. So that made me feel good. She goes, I love your little Christmas decorations. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And then I made the joy years ago, and I've never known what to do with it, and I just put it up here on the mirror. I think it turned out cute that way. Yeah, very fun. Very festive. Okay, coming around this way. Make you dizzy again. There's just my pictures. I need to change some out. I ordered some on Black Friday. Here's my newest gnome. And then I got this little hat that was knitted or crocheted by my daughter-in-law. I made this for my parents, and now it's mine. And mainly red and white on my tree. I do not have, what am I trying to say? Ornaments from my kids' past. Emma made me that chain, that cute. Because remember, in my journey, I got a couple of things out for Christmas, but I did not get our ornaments. Could not find them and wanted to get out of there. So I don't have like what the kids remember, that sort of thing. So it's mainly just store-bought is the reason for that. If that makes sense. Because I know I used to have lots of memorabilia, and I don't want to keep talking about it. I'm making me sad. Anyway, so it is what it is. I like my tree, don't get me wrong. And then I just put a tablecloth down here, a round tablecloth, and then this tree skirt, and then another little one there. My newest gnome from Dollar Tree. He's looking a little sad. These I think I got at TJ Maxx. Emma played. This is the village that I have, and each year I just add some more, so she was playing with that. We didn't come back home after our Christmas light tour. So I said, no. She goes, but I'm supposed to pick up my stuff. I said, that's okay. I'll pick it up. She's usually good about that, but this did get knocked down. So here's the story. I always have a story with each. Her elf on the shelf got ruined last year. Something, I can't remember what happened. But anyway, and then I had a little elf sitting here, and she goes, can I have that elf? And I said, yes. Would you like it? And she goes, yes. Her dad had just said, I really need to get her a new elf. So I texted him, is it okay? And he goes, yes, please. So there's my bird. Then we came up with a plan. She goes, well, how come it doesn't do anything here? I said, because it has to be in the home of a child to come for the magic to happen. So it's just been waiting for a child to pick it, choose it. She goes, that's so awesome. So yeah, that's how we came up with that plan anyway. I said, now it's kind of rusty. It's an elf in training, so it may not. Anyway. That was not a thing when my kids were little, that I knew of anyway. I had a hard enough time just keeping up the whole, belief in you-know-who-y. Anyway. So there's one of my busted canvases. This is what I chose to do with the tree, bows, and the little balls. Boy, did that take forever. But I like it. Okay, hang on. Well, I have lights usually in this. I'm not going to fiddle. I still need to clean up my craft stuff. I always have Raggedy Ann and Andy out. I think they're two Andys, actually. I don't know. I think the one on the right is a Raggedy Ann. So there's it's just in a basket with pine cones. And then those cute lights that I got at Temu. And then these candles, Dollar Tree. We went to Dollar Tree, Emma and I go, I just don't understand why your dad can't like this store. It's perfect. I love this picture, and I'm so glad it's not bigger. This is perfect. It's a Wonderful Life, and that was from Hobby Lobby. And these, I made the boys. I was like, they actually got their things in there. Their Christmas. I go, yeah, those were their stockings. She's like, wow. To be a child again, huh? So yeah, it's very fun in here. Let's see. I'll come into Here's my new tablecloth. And these are all I think they were from Macy's or something. I got them in a bag at a thrift store. I just love them. Too broke, so I need to pack them better. This is Joy up there. They cute. They're this, what is the brand here? Let me look. That doesn't say. Department 50. And they were all like, for $5, I got all of these. So fun. So I just keep them on my tiered tray. And you guys are going to get a kick out of this. This is a tiered tray. Shelf, I call it. And then I have a tiered tray on the tiered tray. Down here's where I keep the little houses for the girls. So that's why it's empty. And here's the garland that was sent to me. So cute. I cut it up. So I hope that's okay. It's so cute. And then I just put them up on each shelf. They cute. And then I have lights. I painted that, I think it was last year or the year before. I painted this gingy behind there. And there's a snowman, kind of gingy / snowman. And then there's this. So much fun. Oops, these all got knocked over. This is one of my favorite pictures of Emma and I. There's my baby girls too. Oh, I miss them so much. Cute. So then this says Merry Christmas on it on the side, but I like it this way. Otherwise you can't see what's in it. So very cute. Love this garland that I had found. And that's Temu. Someone had made me that. pretty candle. So yeah. And then I have this container here that I just keep stuff in right now, and I can just pick it up and take it wherever I'm doing my Christmas thing. Don't look at my stairs. Oh my gosh, you guys, I still have more to do. And then coming into the kitchen, here's this candy cane lane. I think I might have paid $3 for that can at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby. Thrift store. Look what I got today. Oh God, I kind of go overboard. And there's my, I get these off of these magnets. You could just put them on the front of your dishwasher, so we have a winter one. And then coming over here, this is not pristine at all, but it is what it is. It's real life. Okay, so there's Merry Christmas, Baking Spirit Sprite, and then I made this. It was a two-tiered tray, and I just kept this part, and I put these under a dome that I have from another set. And those cute little, I just think that's so cute. They're all cooking, right? And here's my newest sign, just a girl who loves Christmas. I just think that's so sweet. There's that. And then coming over here. Oh, this is funny. Okay, so when I started my journey, I had this bird. I can still see me buying it at Witch Value Village, weirdly. And then I added this to it, the Serenity Prayer. And then, but my windows already have something in them, so I put the birds up there. They're hanging out with their buddies. I thought it kind of turned out cute. So they'll be up there for the winter. Let's see, what else? Really happy with these stickers. Oh, I needed to turn this on. So watch this. Check this out. I keep the, watch, I'm doing this one-handed so it won't work. I keep the, see, I told you. The light's hidden, or the switch hidden behind here. And then that goes up there and the picture goes back up. But I thought that looked so cute. And then these shelves, I'm loving these. I got those on Temu as well quite a while back. There's my, I need to change the countdown. There's my little mat, which got dirty. For some reason, my coffee overflowed, so this morning, it never does that, but as soon as I have a mat down, it did it, but whatever. And then here's my little candles and my girlies when they were littles. Oh my gosh. Love my girls. So this, I love this one. This one's pretty during the day, but you can't see it right now. Oh, there it's focusing. It's brighter during the day. But I kind of wish it was like the snowman, a little brighter, but oh well. And let's see here, even in the bathroom. So I made this a couple of years ago. Thought that looked cute there. And then there's another busted canvas. A little towel from Dollar Tree. So yeah. Very fun. It makes me happy, so you know what? That's why I do it. It makes my granddaughters happy too, so that's important. Because my other two are going to get to see it next week. So that's this coffee bar. That's what Margaret made me. Just so fun. Whenever you can add shelving and storage, go for it. This, I think I got the little charcuterie board at Hobby Lobby, and I just added a little wreath from Michael's on there. I thought that made it stand out. It's kind of plain otherwise. So yeah, here it is. Oh, I haven't shown you this one. So this is Snowman and Santa. Cute. And then I do have things stored in these little boxes that I bought. It's working out perfect. Where's that other? Oh, no. I made that snowman, painted that myself a couple years ago. This is something I was able to get out of my house. Yeah. There's that box, which has stuff in it. And then this little joy box, this has stuff in it as well. And so does that one. And then on the top of there, I put Mary. Let me show you what the place looks like when it's all the lights. Most of the lights are out. Hang on. Just a magical Christmas feeling to it. Very happy with it. A lot of work. I don't know why it took me so long. I had to have everything in their special places. God. But you know what? I'm retired, so if I wasn't retired, I probably wouldn't do quite as much. But yeah, when I'm sitting here in my living room, I just enjoy it so much. So pretty. Really happy with that Santa picture. He's not the one that everybody's looking for, but he's just the right size for this place. So yeah, I wanted to bring you in, share my Christmas festivities and my decorations. And yes, Emma and I had a ball tonight. Oh, she forgot her little, for some reason she saw these little brush things and wanted it, so I said, you can have one. She's always leaving here with stuff. But that's okay. She's a good goose. We just have so much fun together. We are two peas in a pod, I tell you. So I hope you guys enjoy the coming into my house. There's a red blanket with snowflakes that are usually sitting there. Oh, and then I got this cover. I think this is the best one I found on Temu, and I like it because it's not just, before it was this blanket-like thing, and it just wouldn't stay in place. This is elastic and comes over, so I have it on there and on this one as well. So anyway, all right, you guys, Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. I watch my video again, watch it back the next year so I can remember, where did I put this? What did I do with that? So I'm really happy with how the mantle is completely different than it was in the past. I will change it up when it's January because I'll do the winter theme and get rid of Santa and the red and the, okay. Oh, and yeah, here's another busted canvas. So yeah. All right, that's enough of that. Take care, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.